Hello everyone. I'm a huge Subaru enthusiast, so what we have here is 2018 Subaru Forester 2.5i, just the basic model. So the only modifications that I've done to the car so far is nameless muffler delete and also Inferno Fabrications exhaust headers, and I also have a green air filter that's a little better than the K&N filter because it lets more air in. And so far I noticed my gas mileage went up by about 4 miles a gallon. So now I'm getting 38 miles a gallon on the freeway and like about 29 in the city, which I think is a huge difference, because the manual says, or online it says, Forest only gets like 27 or 26 and 34, I believe. So I'm getting 4 miles more per gallon. But let's see how it sounds, and I'll be back in a second. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope this kind of helps you out to choosing your exhaust systems for the Foresters. And there's really a lot of Foresters out there, so I'm surprised that I had really a hard time finding the headers for this car. The Inferno Fabrications was the only company that actually makes headers for the Foresters, at least the new ones, 2018 and up, or 17. So you're not going to find that many choices for the headers, unfortunately. And Nameless is the only one that makes the mufflers. And you could get the K&N filter from any store, any advanced auto store, or online, or eBay. Well, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your vehicles.